Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Ubuntu Linux on Mindtech channel. Today we are going to see how to install and use UnetBootin Startup Disk Creator. Ubuntu comes packaged with its own Startup Disk Creator, and there is another tool called Itcher which is also quite popular. I have been using UnetBootin since many years and it is quite easy tool to use. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome or any browser you use. Search for UnetBootin. Click on the first link, it will take you to the UnetBootin downloads page. Once you click on the button showing Linux image, it will take you to the page showing list of commands to install UnetBootin. We will execute these commands one by one. Let's copy the first command and paste it into the terminal. Now hit enter and provide system user operating system password. This command will add repository for the UnetBootin installer. Hit enter to add it. Let's copy the second command and paste into terminal. Hit enter. This command will get you updated version of the software. Let's copy the third and most important command which installs UnetBootin software. Again paste into terminal and hit enter. Type in Y and hit enter. UnetBootin software is now installed. Now let's open UnetBootin through Show Applications menu and see how to use it. Provide system user operating system password and hit enter. Let's select an operating system ISO image from which we need to create a startup disk. As you can see, UnetBootin shows input ISO image and the USB drive to which it will be written to create a startup disk. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications for my future videos.